we are looking at how to pronounce this word correctly, as well as how to say more confusing words that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you pronounce this word correctly? Well, you have to say for that it is a word of Finnish origin, from Finland, an ancient Finnish word referring to the traditional Finnish bath and to the bathhouse itself. So in Finnish, this is said as sauna, sa-u-na, you pronounce every letter. Now, of course, in English, this is generally said as either sauna in British English, or sauna in American English. So 3 different ways of pronouncing it: sauna, British English; sauna, American English; or the closest to the original Finnish pronunciation, I guess you should perhaps pronounce it that way: sauna. Sauna is how the Finnish say it. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks very much for your support, it's much appreciated. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of more confusing words. I'll see you there to learn more indeed. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.